Hi guys, welcome to Harmony Store. On today's tech review, we'll be talking about the HP Spectre S360. HP Spectre S360, a convertible PC. It's one of the premium HP laptop. It's the high-end laptop for enthusiasts, for business owners, for high-class people who doesn't just want a laptop that is basic. They want something unique, something sleek, something stylish, and something very comfy. So come with me while I put you through on the HP Spectre. HP Spectre S360 comes with a gym cut, that's the edges, has a gym cut, and it has this attractive and unique designs that is being made for. It's made of CNC aluminum built body. It has a IPS LED backlit screen, about 3.4 aspect ratio. So the HP Spectre comes in different sizes. We have the 13.3, we have the 14, and we have the 15.6, all with its own different designs that it has. But the one we are talking about right now is the 13.3 HP Spectre. This laptop, as I said, is a 13.3 inches, 13.3, this does it, inches with IPS LED backlit. It's not a 4K. So the HP Spectre is Intel processor, and this Intel processor is being powered by Evolution platform. So you don't get to see the Intel Evolution platform on all HP series. It's just the high performance HP that you're going to see, the Intel Evolution. So why the Intel Evolution platform is perhaps better than the regular Intel Core i5, Core i3, it's because of the battery life and the fast charging. So when you have a laptop that is being powered by Intel Evolution, maybe i5 or i7, you can get to charge it between the range of 30 minutes to 45 minutes, from 0% to 100%. That's very quick. And you can tend to use it for 10 hours, 12 to 14 hours, depends on what you are doing. I'm not saying why playing video you use for 14 hours, just depends on what you are going to do. So the Intel Evolution powered by Core i7 processor is what is in this HP Spectre that we're talking about. This laptop is a 16 gig RAM DDR4, and it comes with a 1 terabyte solid state drive for the hard drive. The solid state drive, as we all know, has a very fast booting speed. It doesn't take up to like 30 seconds to 1 minute for you to power on your laptop, and it gets to the desktop level. And aside from the unique style that this laptop comes with, the speaker is being supported by Bang & Olufsen. And aside from that, you have your fingerprint reader. So you can use your fingerprint reader to unlock your laptop. You have your Windows Hello, and you have your metallic keyboard. This laptop comes with one 3.0 USB port. It's a touch screen, and you can as well convert it 360 degree because of this 360 inch. So it has the charging port, which is Type-C charging port. It comes with another Type-C to C charging port here. The audio jack. If you want to extend the 1 terabyte solid state drive to probably 2 terabytes, it can be expanded. It comes with a memory card slot. So guys, you can get the HP Spectre S360 powered by Intel Evolution platform, Intel Core i7 processor. You can get it in any of the Harmony Store outlets in Nigeria. And again, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our page. Until the next time, peace.